Hey guys, me Kesself with unboxing of Skylanders Trap Team for PS4. So let's start unboxing it. There we go. This is the PS4 edition, so my next portal in my collection, so that's nice. Check out the traps. These are easy to take out of red. Oh my god, this looks so nice. It's first one. And my second one. Ooh, copy of the game. This open this. The disc. Yeah, there's only disc. That's a nice disc. That's so. Somewhere for this. I'm trying to take a snapshot. You're not gonna look at me. I got food fight. Oh, that's good. I have an next unboxing. There's no and snapshot came out too, so that's good. I hope this is a trap tray. Yes, this is the trap tray I always wanted. I have to put my villains now where I have them. Yeah, it fits fine. What is the water type? Yeah, that's fine, guy. I just gonna unbox. I'm gonna unbox more characters in a little bit for you guys. Oh, enjoy the video and have a good day. I have all the unboxings, but I'll be later on, guys. Chat, he looks really nice. So catch you guys later. I've already unboxed it to do right there, so I like it on for you guys. Chaos and Capella out. And I need to give 15 unboxing too just now. Chaos and Capella out.